To manage your Apple ID security settings effectively, it's important to remove any old devices that are no longer in use. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to do so. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section. Here, you will find options related to your account's security, including device management. Step 3. View devices. Look for a section labeled Devices or Manage Devices. This will display a list of all devices currently associated with your Apple ID. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Scroll through the list and select the device you wish to remove. Click on it to view more details about that device. Step 5. Remove the device. Follow the prompts to remove the selected device from your Apple ID. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure the device is successfully removed. By following these steps, you can keep your Apple ID secure and ensure that only your current devices have access to your account. Regularly managing your devices is a good practice for maintaining your digital security.